Nokia has been one of the most trusted brands among people for years. After a long wait, Nokia is back with yet another spectacular smartphone. This amazing device packs a game-changer 500-megapixel DSLR camera, the most powerful mobile processor ever, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and so much more. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the all-new Nokia Energy Max 5G. If you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Energy Max 5G. Display. This flagship killer from Nokia comes with a massive 6.89-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, boasting a 144 Hz refresh rate and 410 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it's tougher than ever with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Camera setup. DSLR level photography. Get ready to capture like a pro with its quad rear camera setup. The primary sensor is a whopping 500 megapixel, accompanied by 100 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 10 megapixel secondary lenses. And for selfie lovers, a 100 megapixel front camera that'll make every shot Instagram ready. Performance. Absolute beast mode. Powering this monster is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, making gaming, multitasking, and heavy usage buttery smooth. And yes, it runs on the newest Android 16 straight out of the box. Battery backup. No more charging anxiety. Say goodbye to low battery worries. This phone packs a massive 9000 mAh battery, with 150 watts super fast charging. Plus, it features a Type-C Gen 2 charging port, for even faster power-ups. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? While there's no official confirmation yet, but leaks suggest it'll be priced around $799. And as for the launch, expect it to hit the market early next year.